Hi, this is Doreen with WTI, and I wanted to share this Sakola brand rectangle chocolate mold with you. I just love the versatility of these chocolate molds because they are heat resistant up to 450, so you can use them in the oven, you can put them in a microwave, you can freeze them, you can put in the dishwasher to clean them, and it has a wide variety of uses. You can use it to make soaps, candy bars, candles, but I love to use it to freeze smoothies to make slushies with, and also, of course, to make chocolate bars. It is totally nonstick. Once your chocolate has hardened or whatever item you're using is completely frozen, it's very easy to unmold it and take it out. And it's practically clean once it comes out. These silicone molds are just totally awesome and I love to use them. And that's my point of view.